All right, so here I am in SchooLinks, and I'd like to search for a school that will help me because I'm graduating soon, and I'd like to be a welder. So I'm here on my student dashboard, and I can see that there's a bunch of things happening around me, job opportunities and things that maybe are specific to my interests or other professionals. I can see that there's some tasks that I need to complete. And maybe some surveys, but right here under the colleges tab, and yes, it might say colleges, but it's not just colleges, it's school search. If I click there, I'm going to type for schools that have something to do with welding. Look at that. Now it lists specific schools with welding in the title, but I want school types. Let's click on this. Look at this, 56 schools in my area that are public or private that have programs for welding. What? Modesto Junior College has a program? 2 programs. One of them is a 2-year program. Another is a certificate program that takes anywhere from 12 to 51 weeks. I'm going to favorite that program, and I'm going to put, I like that this is fast. And I also like that, I like the cost and the location that it's close to me. I'm going to save that in my notes. Perfect. All right. And maybe there's one more. Let's take a look on down the list. Maybe we could zoom in on the map over here. All right. There's the Modesto Junior College. Oh, look, there's one in Stockton. Maybe I want to learn more about that school. I click on it. As I scroll down, I can see, oh, all right. There's some nice information about the weather over the course of the year, the walk score. I can see more about that here. All right, the guys are definitely outnumbered on campus. About the programs that they have there. Ooh, okay, there's that welding program. Again, I'm going to like that program. There's that certificate program. About their sports that they have on campus, which is good. I'm into the basketball, so all right. Student life on campus, maybe I want to look into that. And then cost information. I want to follow up on that because I am a little bit worried about the cost of things. I click and it takes me straight to their website about that. So pretty easy. I'm excited about this. If you'd like to do this for yourself, again, it's very easy to do. So take a look into this. You get there through the MCS app portal, SchooLinks, that's where it's at.